Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Learning Series. Previous class, we have discussed what is Excel and its uses in daily life and in the workplace. In today's class, we will understand the basic interface of the Excel and some of the very important formatting concepts which every beginner should understand. So, we will start now and we'll start with ribbon. Ribbon is the above tab that we are seeing, file, home, insert, page layout is the ribbon tabs, and inside the ribbon tabs you will see the multiple commands and the buttons available which we keep using as per the requirement. Next is the quick access toolbar. Here in the top you are seeing this is the quick access toolbar. Here is the title bar. You are seeing the name of the worksheet which is available in the title bar. This is cell which I have told you yesterday. This is the cell which is an intersection of the rows and the column. Top here is the name bar which reflects the address of the cell. So this cell is available for the column F and rows is 4. So accordingly the name has been given in the name bar, and this is the formula bar where we will see this. So we will see this is the entire the combination of whole active cells. You are seeing it here makes a worksheet where we do the Excel operations. And down here you are seeing the worksheet, combination of worksheets. See here, one worksheet, two worksheets, and the combination of these worksheets make a workbook. So we can move from one worksheet to another worksheet by using the great cursor which is available with us. And second, how we can move on is by doing the control plus page up. Control and page up we can do, and control and page down. Control and page up will move you to the left, and control and page down will move you to the right. Another way to move over the worksheet is here you are seeing the cursor. We need to do the right click here. Here one window is getting opened and it contains a list of the worksheets. So whichever the worksheet you want to move over, we can click on that and click OK. So this is the way we can, here we can go from one worksheet to another worksheet. Here we have only 3, but in case we have a multiple worksheets where we need to keep moving, so that is the best way we can just hover over the worksheet. Next is we will be covering is the default alignment. What is default alignment? Default alignment will indicate the data types available in the cell. Suppose in the cell if text is there, then the alignment will automatically towards the left side of the cell. Here we will see if we are typing it Raju, which is a text. We will do the tab and the alignment is automatically towards the left of the cell. And the number, time and the date alignment is automatically to the right of the cell. As we are seeing it here, the date is aligned towards the right, the timing is aligned towards the right, the number, these numbers aligned toward the right. Even if you type it here, the today's date, suppose today's date is 19 June 2026, tab. The alignment is still, how it is possible? It is some mistake maybe. 8 September 2025, tab C. The alignment is towards the right. If you see the timing like 9 p.m. 9 p.m. So you see it here. the alignment is still in the left. Why? Because it is reading this as a text. We have to separate this PM, and you see it, the magic here. It is going towards the right alignment. If you're typing it number anything here, 555, it is going to the right side. So this is the alignment, default alignment, which is set in the Excel. And in the Excel, we can import the data from the PDF, and from various sources we can import the data in the Excel. And while importing the data, the alignment gets changed. So if we know the default alignment of the Excel, it will be easy for us to identify. Yes, sometimes the number is captured as a text. So we can rectify that if we know that. Third is the logic thing. Logic is true and false is called logic. That will be always in the capital letter. See, here we will write the logic alignment is in the center of the cell. So write it here, TRUE in the capital letter. Tab, it is automatically aligned to the center. False, FALSE. Tab, aligned to the center of the cell. While writing any of the formula or doing any work in the Excel, if any error is coming, then that alignment is also will be centered towards the cell. Total cells, if you have to do, then in case of total cells, suppose this we have to do the selling part. So in this selling part, see, yesterday we have seen the function equal to sign, sum, double click it here, select all the cell, close the bracket, control enter. We are getting it 0. What is the reason? Because here see the F2 key, see the formula and the function used here is absolutely correct, but still we are getting 0. Why? Because the number here, the Excel is identifying it as a text, not as a number. And the function key is designed to ignore the test. So the result given here is only 0. And similarly, if we'll do it here, we'll type it 600, enter, 500, enter, 982, enter. We are doing the sum. So for doing any formula, first character will be equal to sign, then function will be used will be sum, selecting all the cell, closing the bracket, control enter. We are getting the exact result here, because here we are seeing that the Excel is reading this as a number. Here see the alignment here, it is automatically towards the right, and this alignment is towards the left. So this is all about the alignment, and next will be going to the number formatting. So what is this number formatting? In this Excel, we can type text as well as the numbers, but this number formatting is basically applied just to numbers, and by applying the number formatting, the actual number doesn't change. The actual number will be shown here in the formula bar, but here the number may be showing here 5, 10 and 5. The result we are seeing as 20. Here we are seeing the result as sum. If you will see the formula used here, see how we will see F2. By clicking the F2, we will get this. The formula is correct. Here we will see F2. Here also formula is correct. But why the result is different? Result is different. 5, 5, 10, 10, 20. So we will go here. We'll check it. Oh, this is not 5. This is 5.15. This is not 10. This is 10.4. This is 5.35. And the combination of all these three cells is 21. So The Excel will do the calculation correctly, but by seeing it from our eyes, we may get mistaken. No, how the answer is coming wrong. So this is the number formatting part. And the second example, we will be seeing it here. Suppose the tax rate here, how much it is showing? 0.03. And the total sale made is 100. What will be the amount paid? Oh, how the amount? See the formula here. The formula used is completely correct. B16 into C16, it's completely correct. Then why the answer here is just 2.75? Maybe somewhere here we are seeing the number as 0.03, but in the formula bar, if you'll see, it is 0.0275. We can also change this to percentage just by going to home number. We can change it to the percentage and see the exact percentage. We are getting it here. Control Z, and this is what it works for the number formatting. In number formatting, these are the these are the options available: percentage, time, date, and these things. Here, if you'll see, if you want to erase this number formatting, then what you have to do? Control all the cells, go back, do the general, and see, we got the number which was already there. So here, this general works as an eraser in the case of number formatting. And this is all about the today's class. So what we learned today in today's topic is what is ribbon, what is quick access toolbar, title bar, worksheet, workbook, and default alignment, how the Excel is designed for text, number, time, date, and the logic, how the number is getting, how the digits are getting aligned, how the text is getting aligned. This we studied. Number formatting is studied. We have studied. In number formatting, it is only applied to the number, and the actual number we can still see it where in the formula bar. So that's all for today's class. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. And thank you so much.